Hey guys, and today I'm making a new video, and I posted a Musical.ly just to let you guys know that I'm active. And I've saw this trend going around saying that I'm gonna put this back on because I don't want to lose it, saying that they're doing ASMR or mukbangs. I'm gonna be doing a mukbang because I need to talk because I get so mad and I'm just like that. So I'm gonna quickly shut the door because I don't want no one coming in. So, I'm eating a deli box that you get for your Christmas deliveries for food. And this is what the food looks like. I had to taste it because I didn't know if people liked it. Cheese and broccoli pasta. This is what it looks like. It looks exactly like what's inside. Like literally no joke. So, this is what it looked like. They have the little holes. And they're actually really nice. So, I'm going to be talking about the experience with my new phone and my camera. So with my camera, there's going to be a couple of videos when I get my card, which I'm getting for my birthday, which is in 5 days. I'll be doing a birthday vlog, but I'm getting my new phone on Christmas Day, so I'm going to be making a lot of videos on my phone at the moment. These are actually really good, guys. Look at them. It dropped. Luckily I have my border. I'm lucky I have the flat board, pink board. And yeah, and about the camera, it might not work when I get it because the zoom button has broken. The out zoom button, you can zoom in, but you cannot zoom out after you zoomed in unless you turn off the camera and turn it back on. But it's at the shop right now. But my sister got one today. She got the same colour as mine. She got same colour, same everything. But go subscribe to her. Her channel is MSP Meals Bills 123. Yeah, she does MSP videos, but she bought the camera for vlogs. I'm not sure where it is. I think she put it up there, but she hardly comes in my room. She just hides it in here. And yes, next video I will be doing a room tour. Wow. A room to explain why my room's so big and that long, why I need the biggest room. Because that's a bit of a secret, but yeah. If this video ends with unexpected while I'm speaking, it's because not that many storage. That's what happened in my last video. Not the Musical.ly one. The one before my first video. This is actually so good, guys. I'm going to stand to there because it only comes with a little bit in there. But I'm going to come close. I don't think I'm making no sounds because this is way too soft. But I will be making more mukbangs because I think they're interesting. How you can make story times and that lot. I'll be doing a story time next time, and I'll probably be doing another deli box because they're so good. But they have different pastas and things. So yeah. Oh my god, guys, you need to go subscribe to the Queen Life with Mac. Her name's called McKenna. but she's literally the queen at mukbangs and ASMR, but yeah, and her sass role plays, but yeah. I'm getting all the sides because I don't know why, guys, but I like mukbangs because I don't know, I just find them interesting. I'm just getting something, guys. Okay. So that is the end. That was actually so good, and I will be doing way more of them daily boxes because they are. I'm so sorry. But they are on point, so I'll be doing more and more and more. So yeah, bye guys.